Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First off, the aesthetic appeal is undeniable. The 3500X features a panoramic tempered glass design that wraps around the front and side panels, giving you a crystal clear view of your components. Whether you have RGB lighting, custom cooling, or just want to showcase your build, this case lets you do that with style. And the best part is, these tempered glass panels are fully removable, so accessing your hardware for upgrades or maintenance is a breeze. The case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from compact Mini-ITX all the way up to large EATX boards, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're building a compact gaming rig or a full-size powerhouse, the 3500X has you covered. It even supports reverse connection motherboards, like the ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero, which means your cables can be routed neatly out of sight behind the board, keeping your build clean and clutter-free. Cooling is a top priority with this case. It comes with 3 pre-installed CORSAIR RS120 ARGB fans that offer excellent airflow while adding vibrant lighting effects controllable via your motherboard's ARGB header. But if you want to go bigger, the 3500X supports up to 10 120mm fans in total, with mounting points on the sides, top, and PSU area. This means you can configure your airflow exactly how you want it to keep temperatures low, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Speaking of airflow, the case is designed to avoid sacrificing cooling for looks. Unlike some glass-fronted cases that restrict airflow, the 3500X balances both with smart ventilation and fan placement. It's an ideal option for gamers who want performance without compromise. Cable management is made easier thanks to the spacious interior and smart routing options. This case's layout ensures cables stay hidden and organized, which not only improves airflow, but also makes your build look professional and tidy. Plus, the bottom-mounted power supply helps in separating heat sources and streamlines airflow even more. The build quality of the 3500X is solid, with sturdy tempered glass panels and a robust steel frame. It's designed to last and protect your valuable components while providing a premium look and feel. In summary, the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower PC case is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC builders who want a case that blends style, excellent cooling, and ease of use. Its panoramic glass, versatile motherboard support, high cooling capacity, and pre-installed ARGB fans make it ready out of the box for impressive builds. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned enthusiast, this case provides the perfect foundation for your next gaming rig. If you want a sleek, high-performance PC case with a stunning view of your components and robust airflow, the 3500X deserves serious consideration.